You know, what if a missile could diagnose its own faults before it even launches? Or what if a factory could predict a critical failure weeks in advance? This isn't science fiction. It's the new reality being built by engineers who are connecting our physical world to the digital one. Today, we're going to dive into how one company, WebSync, is tackling some of engineering's toughest challenges by doing exactly that.
So let's just start with a question that really sets the scene, right? How do you actually do all this? I mean, how do you take something as insanely complex as a missile, test all its physical systems with absolute precision, give it a layer of AI to make it smarter, and then, on top of all that, give a commander a live dashboard into cloud to watch everything? This is the kind of high-stakes problem where there is just zero room for error.
Well, the answer really breaks down into a three-part journey. First, you have to absolutely master the physical world. You know, the sensors, the hardware, the raw data. Then, you take all of that and you make the system intelligent, turning all that noise into actual wisdom. And finally, you have to connect it all together so that intelligence is accessible anywhere. This is the exact roadmap we're going to follow.
Okay, so let's start at the very beginning, mastering the physical world. And look, this is so much more than just plugging in a sensor. This is about creating a connection to reality that you can trust, 100%. Because without good, solid, reliable data, any AI or any intelligence you build on top of it, it's just a house of cards ready to fall over. This is the bedrock. So here's the bottom line. Before any system can be smart, it needs senses it can trust. It all, and I mean all of it, begins with capturing data with unbelievable precision. If you don't get this right, you're basically trying to make life or death decisions while looking through a foggy windshield. Everything, absolutely everything, hinges on this first step.
And to get this done, WebSync relies on these core platforms from National Instruments. I love the analogy here. It makes it so clear. You've got the CDAC system, which is like the system's nerves. It's feeling and sensing everything with high accuracy. Then there's the CRIO, which is the brain. It's handling all the real-time control and safety logic. And the PXI, well, that's the system's reflexes for when you need to react or capture data at just blistering speeds.
And here's a perfect example of what that hardware is actually doing. Imagine a rocket motor test. You are measuring everything, all at once. You've got the immense force of thrust and the strain on the metal. That's handled by a specialized module. Then you've got pressure, temperature, controlling actuators, all the way down to the super precise millisecond timing of the ignition sequence. Every single critical piece of data has its own dedicated hardware.
Okay, so you've got this beautiful, clean, reliable stream of data coming in from the physical world. Now what? Well, now you have to make it intelligent. And this is really the magic of modern engineering, right? It's turning all those raw numbers into wisdom you can actually act on. And you do that with smart software and AI.
Now, the software they build in LabVIEW isn't just one giant, messy program. It's a really clean, multi-layered architecture. And this is so smart. See that first layer, the hardware abstraction layer? That means you can swap out a sensor for a totally new one without having to rewrite your entire program. It's this kind of design that makes these incredibly complex systems manageable and ready for the future.
Now, deep inside that software, they use these really powerful design patterns. One of the most important is called the producer/consumer. Just think of it like this. One piece of code, the producer, has only one job: to grab data from the hardware as fast as it possibly can and just stick it in a waiting line or a queue. Then a totally separate piece of code, the consumer, comes along and pulls data from that line to process it whenever it's ready.
And why is that such a big deal? It's simple. In a high-speed test, that little pattern is the difference between success and total failure. It guarantees that even if your computer screen freezes or the network gets a little slow, that data-grabbing loop never misses a single reading. In these critical applications, you can't lose any data, period.
And this is where that intelligence really takes a huge leap. A traditional automated system, it's only as smart as the rules you write for it. It can only find what you've told it to look for. But an AI-powered system, it learns from examples. That means it doesn't just find the defects you already know about. It can spot new, weird anomalies that it has never seen before. That completely changes the game for things like quality control. And that AI isn't just a one-trick pony. It's used all over the place. We're talking about predictive maintenance. They can hear a tiny change in a motor sound and warn you about a failure weeks from now, saving a ton of downtime. Or visual inspection that's just way more accurate than the human eye can ever be. It's all about making the whole system smarter and safer.
Okay, so we've mastered the physical world, we've made our system intelligent.
But there is one last crucial piece of this puzzle: connection. This is where we take everything we've built and bring it all together into one seamless digital ecosystem. And really, this is the whole point. An intelligent machine sitting by itself on a factory floor is useful, sure, but its true power, its real potential, is only unlocked when its data and its insights are available anywhere, anytime, to anyone who needs them. And this is the tech that actually builds that digital bridge. We're talking about modern web tools like React.js to create live dashboards you can pull up on your phone. They're building digital twins so you can run simulations. They're integrating directly with giant enterprise systems and putting it all on major cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. This is how you connect the factory floor to the boardroom, all in real time. So when you bring all of this together, mastering the physical, making it intelligent, and then connecting it all, what does that actually mean? It means you're not just hiring a contractor for a project, you're getting a real technology partner for the long haul. And this, right here, sums up the whole thing. They handled the entire journey, from the tiny vibration of a single sensor picking up a signal, to an AI algorithm turning that vibration into a useful insight, all the way to a secure dashboard that you can see in the cloud. That complete end-to-end capability is what makes this so powerful. And look, this isn't just talk. Their credibility is backed by some seriously deep expertise. This quote says it all. Their systems are designed by certified architects, people with direct, hands-on experience in the world's most demanding industries like missile and ballistic programs. This is expertise that's been proven where it counts, under enormous pressure. Which really brings us to the final thought. After seeing how these three worlds, the physical, the intelligent, and the digital, can all be woven together so seamlessly, it kind of turns the question back to you, doesn't it? When you have a partner that can do all of this, what does that suddenly make possible for your biggest engineering challenge? What could you build together?